Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cookie icing can be used in the same way that royal icing can, however, it doesn't dry as hard as royal icing does. It's great for flooding cookies or piping designs into wet icing. Cookie icing does need time to set, but it should be ready in under an hour. 3 December 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you have an oven with a very low temperature setting, e.g., 50°C, 122°F, you can preheat your oven, turn off the heat, and then place their royal iced items into the oven for about 15 minutes to speed up the drying process.
Take our lead.
If you find that the royal icing tastes too much like straight-up powdered sugar, just add more flavor and maybe even try using lemon juice instead of water so the acidity cuts through some of the sweetness. Obviously not all extracts, emulsions will work with lemon, so adjust accordingly. 24 October 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chilling and adding sugar are the two tastiest ways to harden tub frosting. Simply place the tub in the refrigerator and chill for a few hours, depending on the size of the tub, to firm up the frosting. Add sugar to the frosting by first scooping the desired amount of frosting from the tub and placing it in a bowl.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.